Ram Ram and hi everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Learn Awadhi Language. And today we will learn some words and sentences related to farming. खेती से संबंधित कुछ अवधि शब्द और वाक्य. So let's begin. So the first word that we are going to learn today is buai, which means sowing or planting the seeds. Mati means soil. Made, made is the boundary of the field. Khurpi, khurpi is a small tool which is known as hand trowel. Hasia, hasia is sickle. Sickle is basically a tool which has a blade. It is in the C shape. Godai means weeding. Piera, piera here we have written straw. Piera also means the plant of the mustard because it looks yellow. So the word piera. Manaya. Manaya is a temporary thatched hut which is made in the fields to take care of the harvest. Biya. Biya means seeds. Pharuha. Pharuha is known as spade. It is used to dig the soil. Now let's have a look at some sentences using these words. आज बुआई करे का है. आज बुआई करे का है. Today we have to sow the seeds. So it's like आज ई करे का है, आज ऊ करे का है. So whatever we have to do today, we have to do. आज बुआई करे का है. Today we have to sow the seeds. माटी गीला है. Mati is soil. Geel means wet. The soil is wet or damp. Made banai diya. It means make the boundary. What boundary? Boundary of the field. Made banai diya. खुरपी से घसिया छील दिया. खुरपी is the tool which is used to remove the grass from the soil. So खुरपी से घसिया छील दिया. It means scrape away the grass with the hand trowel. हसिया के धार बहुत तेज है. हसिया is the tool which is used to cut a plant. हसिया के धार बहुत तेज है. The edge of the sickle is very sharp. खुरपी लिया और खेत के गुड़ाई करा. Take the trowel and weed the field. गैया के खाए खातिर पियरा लई आवा. गैया means cow, गाय. गैया के खाए खातिर, it means the food which is meant for the cow. गैया के खाए खातिर पियरा लई आवा. Bring the straw for the cow to eat. खेते में एक नीक मड़ैया बनावा जाए. It means let's build a nice thatched hut in the field. So खेते में it means in the field. घरे में it means in the house. छते पे it means on the roof. Okay. बिया तनी देख के छिड़का. Biya is the seed. So when you have to sprinkle the seeds in the field, it is known as छिड़कना. बिया तनी देख के छिड़का. Sprinkle the seedlings carefully. फरुहा से खेतवा गोंड दिया. फरुहा is the spade. So use the spade to dig the field. फरुहा से खेतवा गोंड दिया. Dig the field with the spade. So that's all for today's lesson. I request you to please subscribe the channel so that we can get motivation to make more videos. And also we have a website where you can learn more about Awadhi languages and its words. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.